Oh, y'all saw me shovel this exact spot 11 a.m. this morning. And yeah, I don't know, maybe another 3 inches or so since then. But all of the tracks from this morning are basically gone. It's almost 7 p.m. Sunday. And yeah, it's definitely getting deeper. Supposedly the ice is coming. We got a little bit of sleet. Some of this stuff is really, really heavy. But it is coming down. Tractor's got a lot more on it than this morning. So we'll give you another update tomorrow morning. See ya.